In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete entire row or column in Excel. We'll start by opening Microsoft Excel and going into the worksheet where you want to make changes. This is a simple task, but it's important to understand what happens when you delete a full row or a full column. When you remove one completely, Excel doesn't just clear the contents. It actually removes that row or column from the worksheet and shifts the remaining data to fill the gap. That means rows below move upward and columns to the right move left. First, let's look at how to delete an entire row using the right-click method. On the left side of the worksheet, find the row number for the row you want to remove. Click that row number to select the entire row. Once it's highlighted, right-click on it to open the menu. From there, choose Delete. Excel will immediately remove the full row, and everything below it will move up one row. This is one of the fastest ways to delete a row, especially if you want a quick, direct option. Now let's go over another way to delete rows, this time using the Home tab. Start by selecting the row or rows you want to remove. Then go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Delete options, click Delete and then choose Delete Sheet Rows. Excel will remove the selected rows and shift the remaining rows upward. This method is useful if you prefer working from the toolbar instead of using right-click menus. Next, let's move on to deleting an entire column. The process is very similar. At the top of the worksheet, click the letter of the column you want to delete. For example, column B, to select the full column. Then right-click the selected column and choose Delete. Excel removes that entire column and shifts the remaining columns to the left. As you work, take a moment to double-check that you've selected the full row or full column before deleting. That helps avoid removing the wrong data by mistake. It's also helpful to remember that deleting is different from simply clearing contents, because deleting changes the structure of the worksheet. That's all you need to know to delete entire rows or columns in Excel. Once you've practiced both methods, you can choose whichever one feels faster and more natural for the way you work.